Over here, it's not over here. We're just getting
Yo, just keep on playing, eh?
Let me take you on the next stage. I'm gonna perform the next song, and I hope you enjoy it. The next song is called No Favors, and I hope you enjoy it. Live again in the train I go, but the name is the South. Those that have their ears to listen, as I take you out to the memory lanes of rhythm and poetry. Live again in the train I go, but the name is the South, and it go a little bit something like this. Let's go. Hope you enjoy it. Let's go. Please no favors. I say, do me no favors. I said I had a lot of people saying that do me a favor. For what? Okay. I said favors. What? I said please no favors. I said do me no more favors. I had a lot of people saying that doing me a favor. Okay, let me break it down for you. Let's go. I remember when I had my first 21 days. Nobody understood why they made to be focused. They started doing favors because they had at least to expect. I became an expert. They started hating. You see, I understand why they hating. They hating because they know they could never be greater than me. I've been doing this thing for so long. Up in the train, it's like doing dealing with the Chinese and the Pakistan. You know the rules, man. We from the hood, man. We ain't hiding there. We all about getting the paper, what you want about. So I keep it tight and down.
Guys, tight, man.
Say please no favors.
No, please no favors.
Said I had a lot of people saying that doing me a favor. What? Okay, I say favor. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoy my music. You know, I feel like every time when I do my music, I feel like, you know Muhammad Ali? Throwing a couple of punches, keep on saying that I am the great, and it's not over until I win. Okay, let me chop it out for you. Let's go with something like, let's go. Tell it because I had it.
This guy is fire, man.
The music is born the name is safe, but it never been safe. Try to take the gold of the soul. This ever change when it get arranged. You know I'm all about the rain. Sometimes I feel like we just got home and say, hey, mama, I made it. I just make it rain, brother, wanna make it light. You know I feel just to make your mama proud. Just to make your mama proud. You know I feel just to make your mama proud. So I tell them that I be coming like a chameleon. I'm all about getting a million. Rocking my keychain like I'm some kind of Italian. Not a wanna, not a wanna, so stay down.
No favors.
Said I had a lot of people saying that doing me a favor.
What? Flavor. Fire.
Say please no
favors.
do me no
Favors.
Said I had a lot of people saying Ladies and gentlemen, like I said, I was just there to entertain.
Yo, what's up, man? Yo, appreciate it, man.
Thank you.